Hi, this is Visi Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your profile picture on Linktree. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Linktree is a popular tool that allows users, particularly on social media platforms like Instagram, to create a customized landing page containing multiple links. On my previous video, I have shown you how to create Linktree account and how to set up the account. And now in this video, I will show you how to change the profile picture. If you see in here, you can see on the settings, there is no option to change your profile picture. So where if you want to change your profile picture on your Linktree, it's very simple. So first of all, first we have to open our Linktree. Now on your home on Linktree, you can see there is an option link in here. You can just tap on that. And the three dots over here. There is an option edit. You can just tap on that. From here, you can choose on design. You can, here's your first profile picture. Now you can choose on profile, choose on edit, and then here you can choose from library or can take a photo from your camera. For example, I would choose from my library. Now you can choose on the picture that you want to set as your profile picture on your Linktree. For example, I will choose this one. Now we can tap on checklist. You can update your theme to match your profile picture, but if you don't want, you can just skip this tab. So now we can just choose on, tap on save at the bottom right here. So now you have changed your profile picture on your Linktree. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change your profile picture on Linktree. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.